Hello, Internet! Welcome back to Glossip Girl, where we talk about all the latest and greatest, or like not so great, releases in the beauty world. Let's see what we've got today. First up, we have yet another celebrity diving into the beauty scene, and we know her as the Disney star who showed us what dreams are made of in Rome. That's right, I'm talking about Hilary Duff. The current star of the show Younger just dropped a beauty collab with nude sticks. The Daydreamer palette is available now and includes a Nudies cream blush, glow highlighter stick, gel color lip and cheek balm, and 3 magnetic luminous eye pencils in fun shiny shades, just in time for crisp autumn weather. And all of these items come in an iridescent bag, which I am all about. Duff commented on the collection saying, "I'm a California girl and everything is like bronzy and golden, and I'm sick of that. I want my sweater and I want my pearlized tones." The colors are a nod to fall. There are a lot of pink and ethereal tones in there. While I sometimes am wary about beauty products from celebs, I like that this is just a small collection, not an entire whole new brand. Also, I love Hilary Duff too much not to try these eye pencils. The entire collection can be yours for $75, though to clarify, it's not actually a palette. I'm not sure why the word palette is in the title when it's a bunch of individual items, but hey, Hilary Duff has made out with Chad Michael Murray, and I haven't, so I'm not gonna question her. Time to grab this makeup and put my Metamorphosis CD on repeat. And I'm not kidding, I own that album, and it's amazing. Now I'm really excited about this next new collection because I'm obsessed with both Halloween and smelling good. So I'll definitely be trying the new Halloween-themed products from Lush. Lush just released a whole line of spooky, ghoulish, and downright delicious smelling bath products. And of course, on Friday the 13th. I'm particularly excited about the Mercury and Retrograde Bath Bomb for $7.95, the glow-in-the-dark Lemongrass Sudsip for $6.95, and the Shower Slime for $18.95. Most of the Halloween items are less than $10, or they come in frighteningly cute bundles, so there's something for every budget if you want to pamper yourself in a scary way, which is always a goal for me personally. Okay, next up we have a beauty update from the Bieber'S himself. Remember way back when I mentioned he was launching his own deodorant with Schmidt's Naturals? Well, that moment has finally arrived. Bieber did a limited release of his deodorant called Here and Now before its official launch on October 1st. The deodorant comes in the scent Mellow and Woodsy and is described as an unforgettable scent with a mix of spicy citrus and warm florals, anchored by deep and sophisticated woodsy base notes. Plus, it's vegan and paraben-free, so if you're into that, make sure to give it a try next month. I wonder if this is what Justin Bieber smells like. Is there any way for me to find out without getting a restraining order? Lastly for today, we have 2 new products from Huda Beauty that I am very excited about because one of them is an eyeliner and I'm always looking for one as black as my soul. Just kidding! Sort of. Anyway, Huda Beauty just released their first ever eyeliner. The Huda Beauty Life Liner is supposed to be life-proof, which to me means you can chop onions, watch The Notebook, and listen to Wind Beneath My Wings without it smudging. It comes in a matte black and is long-lasting, 48-hour wear, waterproof, smudge-proof, and completely fade-proof. This liner is making a lot of tall claims, and as much as I want them all to be true, I'll have to try it out for myself to know for sure. It's $25, which is pretty steep for a liner, so I hope it really does everything Huda tells me it does. It also pairs nicely with another new product from Huda, their new makeup remover balm. The balm is made with cherry balm extract and is meant to remove that never-ending eyeliner. It can also remove a full face of makeup and is said to leave skin feeling very soft. I love the idea of a makeup removing balm, and at $12, I think I can afford to try it. Alright, Queen Bees, that's it for me today. Hilary Duff is saying hey now to a makeup collab with nude sticks. Justin Bieber is about to make us smell better with his deodorant. It's time to get spooky in the shower with Lush, and Huda has an eyeliner that will keep going for as long as you do. What beauty news of the week are you most excited about? Which new products do you want to try? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next week. Glossip Girl out.